Imphal, Manipur has announced fresh 48-hour extension of ongoing total shutdown in Kuki-Zo inhabited areas, citing government's continued inaction and failure to address demands raised by the community. The extension marks third consecutive prolongation of the shutdown imposed following killing of 3 church leaders on May 13 and alleged abduction of Kuki-Zo civilians who are reportedly still being held captive. According to Kim, the decision was taken during a joint meeting attended by district-level civil society organizations. The renewed shutdown will come into effect from midnight of May 19 after the expiry of the previous extension. The organization stated that no tangible positive development has been witnessed on the ground despite repeated appeals and public pressure on the authorities. The APAC's Kuki body alleged that administrative failure and delayed response by the government have further intensified public anger and insecurity in hill districts. It maintained that the demands and concerns raised by Kuki-Zo people remain unaddressed. On the other hand, the continuing shutdown has severely affected normal life in several Kuki-Zo dominated areas, particularly in Kangpokpi district, where markets remain closed, roads deserted, and public movement restricted. Kim has appealed to public to maintain peace, solidarity, and cooperation during the extended shutdown period.